Yes, I was just calling to see if a person if you and like they got convicted of first-degree assault, would I be able to sue that person if he like partially paralyzed him?
I couldn't hear that question.
I think the question is if someone is has been convicted of I think first-degree assault, can you sue that person for money damages? And the answer to that question is yes, you can. You have a criminal case, and then there's also a civil cause of action, much like the O.J. case is what the famous case is out there. Now, the problem you're going to run into is obviously, can that person pay a judgment, because it's you know, you can't squeeze blood out of a turnip. If that person, you can get the biggest judgment against them in the world, but if there's no, if there's nothing at the end of the day to receive, then all you have is a judgment, and they can bankrupt against it or something like that. So the answer to your question simply is yes, you can file something, but is it worth your while? Now, you may talk to the DA handling the case and file for restitution, and that can pay for things like medical bills, lost wages, and out-of-pocket type expenses.
And if he wanted to see a trial lawyer and ask that question, Ken, what would he need to bring? What would it cost him, and how would he do that? Right.
Well, the great thing about our system is that trial lawyers generally work off of a contingency agreement, which means that you don't get charged up front. You know, typically in the Birmingham area, you can expect lawyer fees to be anywhere from $150 an hour to $300 and $400 an hour, and people just can't afford that. Normal folks that don't expect to be in this type of litigation can't afford it. So we have a system called the contingency fee system, wherein an attorney will set a fee on the front end and only get paid for time and expenses on the back end. So it's based off of what is received. So someone like the caller, Timothy, I think, would probably benefit from that scenario.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Well, we need